to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I won. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing an extreme clean with me. I'm going to do my living room, bathroom, kitchen, and the hallway. And I'm also going to remove my rugs and vacuum and mop under each one of the rugs. I have a lot to do, so let's get into it.
You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better. So much better.
Before I remove my rug and vacuum underneath that and mop everything, I'm going to go through and dust everything in my living room. I have some picture frames I'm also going to be dusting, and the home sign that's by my front door. I've been needing to dust that too, so I'm going to get that all dusted, and then I'm going to start on my rug, vacuum it and remove it and vacuum underneath it. There's so much dirt underneath of it, like the line, there was a line where my rug was, and I really needed to get it taken care of. So we're gonna dust first, then we're gonna go to the rug.
Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off, don't hide it. I don't fit into your bars, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your bars.
Every time I dust these shelves, I always clink something on them, and I am so afraid that one day I'm going to hit like my picture frame or something on it and it's gonna shatter. I'm so nervous about that. So every time I'm dusting it, I'm like super careful and super slow while I'm doing it, but I'm just terrified that I'm gonna break it one day.
Every change has a reason, baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now.
Okay, so now I'm moving on to the rug. I'm going to get it vacuumed really good, and then I'm going to remove it, vacuum all the dirt, dust, God knows what else was underneath there. Get that all vacuumed up, and then I'm going to mop the whole living room and then put everything back the way it goes, and then we'll be done.
Believe it, that we can make the sun come out. Let us lose ourselves in a fairy tale. Who can say what's wrong or right? We're the only ones who can decide. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between.
Okay, so now I'm moving on to the kitchen. I don't have a whole lot to do in here. I have to put some dishes away that I had already taken out of the dishwasher, fill the dishwasher back up, wipe everything down. But while we're in here, I just wanted to share kind of a story that happened to us recently, or me recently, that it was not funny at the time, but now I can laugh about it. One day I was loading the dishwasher. I was rinsing everything off, and like I always do, and I loaded it, it went, and then I opened it back up and noticed that there was something stuck all over my dishes. I didn't know what it was. I kept looking at it like, what the heck is this? Like, it's all over every single dish, like the silverware, the cups, the plates, everything that I had put in there. And the more I got to looking, and I looked at the bottom of the dishwasher, there was gum. There was gum in the bottom of the dishwasher. So my husband calls my kids in and says, who was chewing gum, blah, blah, blah. Well, anyway, we found out that it was my son. He had put gum in a gum wrapper, and it was stuck to the plate that was in his room, and the plates were stuck together. So I guess whenever I took them apart, the gum and the gum wrapper was stuck on the bottom of the plate, and I didn't even notice it. So what happened is while it was in the dishwasher, it heated up, and the gum must have been stringy everywhere inside the dishwasher and went all over the place. So just so you know, make sure you look all over your dishes, because I didn't, and it basically ruined all the dishes that were in there. And luckily we have really cheap plastic. Like, I buy these plates from Target and the cups from Target because I like plasticware, not really glass. So everything that was ruined wasn't really ruined, but we ended up taking all that to our shop and using that stuff there. But I can buy new ones super cheap at Target. It was no big deal, but it was just, I could not believe that happened. And it literally there was not a single piece of dishes that were in there that didn't have the gum stuck to it. It was just, I don't know. Who would have thought, I would have never thought.
Why you wanna let me go now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now. Cause your love made me go blind. What am I hearing? Saying you're moving back. When were you gonna tell me that? What am I hearing? It feels like a heart attack. Someone help me catch my breath again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible? How could we let love go? How could we move on? Why you wanna let me go now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now. Cause your love made me go blind. Why are you playing? We ain't got the time. Tell me now if you want out. What are you saying? Come on and spit it out. I'm about to lose my mind again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible? How could we let love go? How could we move on? Why you wanna let me go now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now. Cause your love made me go blind.
Okay, so now I'm going to wipe down all the appliances. I'm also going to go back and wipe down the countertops, and then I'm going to head over to the shelf that's in the corner of the kitchen, and I have to dust that. It's been a little bit since I've dusted it. It needs to get done. So I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to vacuum and mop, and then we'll be finished in the kitchen.
Changing your mind, na na na, we ain't got the time. I don't know where you came from, I don't know what you did to my heart. You touched my soul like a phantom, and you did it right from the start. Like nobody is watching what we're doing, like nobody is watching us, like nobody is judging while we're dancing. We're dancing till we get lost. We're dancing till we get lost. We're dancing till we get lost. Fast isn't always the best. Sometimes your turns makes me dizzy, but with you I don't need the contest. Like nobody is judging while we're dancing. We're dancing till we get lost. We're dancing till we get lost. We're dancing till we get lost.
Okay, so now I'm heading to the hallway. I'm going to get this all vacuumed up, remove this rug, vacuum and mop really good in here, and then I'm going to move to the bathroom and get that done.
Aren't you tired of the drama? You use your words like they are knives. I don't need that type of drama, and trying to be tough all the daytime. You try to make yourself feel better by taking me down. Once I fell, but now I'm strong, I'm ready for the rematch. Shoot me down, don't you know I get up? Yeah, baby, I will fight. No, there ain't nothing.
Okay, so now I'm in the bathroom and I'm going to clear off the countertop. My bathroom is always a mess. I don't think there's ever a day that goes by that this countertop is clean. Like, it's just a mess. I have an almost 13-year-old daughter that loves to do everything in the bathroom and doesn't clean anything up. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and wipe all this stuff down, clean the sink really good. And I'm also going to wipe the drawers and get all that clean.
make yourself feel better by taking me down. Once I fell, but now I'm strong, I'm ready for the rematch. Shoot me down, don't you know I get up? Yeah, baby, I will fight. No, there ain't nothing stopping me. I'm bulletproof, I won't fall. I'm bulletproof, go on and shoot me down. I will always get up again. Shoot me down, don't you know I get up? Yeah, baby, I will fight. No, there ain't nothing stopping me. I'm bulletproof, I won't fall. I'm bulletproof, go on and shoot me down. I will always get up
Well, that is it for today's video. I really hope that this gave you a little bit of motivation to get your house in order and get it cleaned. I know that in the last couple of days, I have definitely been struggling with finding some motivation myself. And between work and trying to make sure that the house is clean, it's just, I need all the motivation I can get. So I really hope that my video is somewhat motivating to get you going. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button and the little bell notification so you don't miss out on any of my uploads. And I will see you all really soon. Bye, guys.